What's up YouTube? Welcome to another install video. Today what I'm going to be doing, I've already installed lights on my bike. Today I'm going to be adding more lights to my bike. Again, I use the custom dynamic lights. I love their lights, love their product, love their warranty on the lights. I'm adding 5 of the 3-inch scripts, 2 of the 12-inch scripts. Some more stuff that I have, 3M promoter to help it stick. Some ISO heat to help clean off the parts of the bike where I want to add everything there. And like I said, I'm using their Magic Flex lights. So I'm going to show y'all basically why I want to add more lights. So I'm going to cut some of these lights off in here and kind of give y'all an idea of what's going on and why I want to add lights to the bike. So let's cut the lights on the bike already we have. Like I say, there is a push button here on the side that activates the module inside under the seat to cut the lights on. Here's the key fob. So my lights are orange. They're just orange. They flash and do all kind of stuff. And you can see on the install video I did with the lights to see exactly everything the lights do. Everything looks good on the bike from here up, the engine, underglow, the rear. The issue I'm having is this. This whole area right here is dark. We go on to the other side of the bike to get that idea. But that whole area is dark. So our goal today is to light this area up, and also we're gonna light the tank up. These are basically where those 12-inch lights are gonna go to light up this tank. So we're gonna do that on both sides. And like I said, the goal is to let's get the inside of this lit up. So right now I'm gonna give you a before picture, of the bike. I cut this other light off. So here's the before of the bike so everybody can see and what we're looking at now and what we're trying to accomplish in the middle basically. And we're basically going to make this bike light up just a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do, let's go ahead and take off the seat, access the module. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the trunk bag, everything, and everything else that I need to take off so that you can see exactly where we're gonna install the lights at. Okay. Alright y'all, so this is the plan. We got 5 of the 3-inch lights. I'm gonna put one on the inside of here. I'm gonna put one back up in here. I'm also gonna put one down here. Try to put one down here on the frame somewhere, right here. Like I said, one up here, one here. I try to, when I put these lights on, I try to keep them to the actual frame of the bike, so that way they're not on any piece of the bike that they might have to take off doing maintenance or anything like that. One here. Then we're gonna put another one up here, and the 12-inch ones will go along here on both sides. Hopefully it shine back to the tank and light this tank up. Same thing on this side. Everything I had to remove, I had to remove this cover, the cover that was up here, actually the seat, and the trunk bag, of course. Over here I didn't have to really take much off, but this, just take that off. And I should really write all my seats, wires back up. Like I said, this is the module for the lights, and all the wires and stuff go into these right here. So what I'm gonna do now, get my ISO heat, clean everything up. These are all the parts. One thing I want to show y'all is on here. That little hole right here in this corner right here, I drilled that in there for the push button. Which is this. Like I said, the push button, this white piece, it actually has a rubber piece, but I lost it riding. But I knocked it off. But you can order another rubber piece to put on it. But basically that little push button right there, this little twist thing goes through the hole, and I screwed this white part on top to lock it down. Very secure, it doesn't go anywhere. I love it. So let me clean up everything we need with the ISO heat, and then I'll come back and actually do just a video of me putting the lights on. If you want to fast forward through that part of the video when you wash this thing, you can. So let me clean it up and I'll be back. So we're gonna start on this side of the bike. Like I said on this one, my first install, I really didn't do much as far as showing y'all exactly how I did everything. So on this one, I'm going to kind of give you a better example and kind of actually do it like this, show you what I'm doing. This is it's not that many lights as the first one. First one, I always use 3M promoter to help everything stick real good. You want to make sure you got some good placement. Like I said, I use custom dynamic lights because of the length of the wires. They give you plenty of length with all the wires. As you can see, wires are put it on. So this one right here, like I said, we're going to try to put this on the inside of the bike like that. Probably right in the middle of it like that. And get the shine in. This one will shine down so they catch more of this area right here. This one will shine in. And then we'll route the wire back up in here. 3M promoter, pretty easy to use. Break it. And then you'll see the stuff drain down at the bottom. I'm gonna put a good bit of that on the area you want to go to. Peel this off. Like so. And just press it down real nice and firm. Like so. Like I said, this wire, I'm gonna route up and through here somewhere. Like that. Now put a towel right here when we get to that point. Keep it nice and secure. This next one I want in here. And these lights flex pretty good. So how I think I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna start up here and just kind of flex the light in how I want it. Let it end right there. I think that'd be a long enough length for the tank. Because I don't want to come all the way out and show all the way up here the light. I think I'm gonna go right about there for the light for this one. So, get an idea how far I need this to go. For this one, I'm actually going to peel this off as I work it in there. Like I said, might not light the whole tank, but at least if I give like the tank a nice glow up underneath it. What I'm kind of going for. Then these wires come out with some wires that I already got going in there. Just like that. Yeah, I got some black tie wraps left over from my house first installed, and I'm just gonna add to this stuff. That's not good big enough for this video. Tie up this here because I don't want this wire to drop back down or fall back down any kind of way. I'm actually going to loop it right here to make sure that it doesn't fall back down or anything. I want it to stay tight, being that it's going up underneath this wheel. I don't know where the top of the wheel is going to go. Wire cutters and snip it off. So that take care of wire on this side. So this side is done. I always go back and just press it down again and make sure everything's nice. And I kind of want to get an idea how far these lights are going to come out. Okay. So a little bit going to be short, but not bad. Like I said, we'll see how that looks once once I get it on, I need to make any adjustments. If I feel like I want to remove this back, I change this up. Let's see. We don't think it's gonna be a big problem. You see that little strip of lights right there, but hey, I said I want to get them in the tank to show, but it's really hard to get it all the way underneath this part of the bike. So alright, so we're gonna go do the next side and see how that comes out. Almost forgot one more part that you up underneath here. That's it. Alright, so we this one in the same place I wrote the last one. Do the same thing, give a nice loop, give a little loop. Now this side is done. Okay, go to the next side. Okay, what's up, y'all? So I'm interjecting this into this video because what I just realized is that, for one, I realized that I never uploaded the upgrade install of my custom dynamic lights, but I just realized when I was going through editing to the video so I can upload it to my channel, I also realized that I never ever, for some reason, the video that I did on this side never recorded. So I do want y'all to see what I did on this side of the bike, so you get an idea of how I added the lights on this side of the bike, since somehow I don't know what happened to the video. But just to go over real quick, I put one of the lights right here, as you can see. That's why I added one of the lights. That would have made the third light, because remember we have three on the other side, as you can see prior in the video. The second one is down here. You can see right here on the frame behind the chain. That's where I added that second light. So that make the 5. That would give the 5 total of the 3-inch strips that I added. And also, just like I said with the other one, here is the other 12-inch one that's under the tank, and like I said, behind this cover. And the wires, as you can see right here, both of the wires are routed up through this hole, and they're basically coming up right here to connect everything in. So I just wanted to go ahead and interject this into the video, being that somehow I lost that footage, and I kind of hate that I did, because like I said, I was trying to show y'all the whole, how I did the whole bike with the install. But hey, I don't want y'all to miss where those last 2 lights were. So like I said, once again, one here, one there. I had one up here, and you can see on the prior video, prior in this video, where the actual other ones are at on the side. Oh, I'm sorry. Also, the other one right here, just like on the other side. So you can see basically where all those lights are at. So that gives a total of 5 lights, 3 inch on this side, 2 3 inches on this side, and then 2 12 inches I added on the tank. Just want to interject in the video. In this next clip, you're going to see me actually go ahead and doing the wiring up, so you can see actually how I wired everything up into the module. Okay, hopefully I get a good idea. I get to see what I'm about to do. I'm just about to take all the wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lights I just added. We're just about to time it here. The orange on one side, black on one side. Cut all these wires out right here. And what I'm basically trying to do, I don't want to mess the wires up when I'm scripting it, so I'm trying to get this top insulation off really good without messing the wires up. Yeah. Okay. It's all 7 of them. So now you want to try to get all of them. Now I script the ends of them. course, you want all the orange together as best as you can. Then, see, it basically just lifts up like that. Stick it in, snap it down. There you go. Lifts up, stick them in, snap it down, stays there. Same thing on this side. Lift it all the way up. I want to get loose. Lift it up, stick it in, snap it down. And from there, you just basically want to cook. Everything in there. Now, one thing you don't want to do is all this work and your lights don't work. So make sure they work before you cut everything. So I'm cut it on, cut it back on, and we're going to see if everything works. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, all the lights are on and all the lights work. Great. So what we're gonna do, I'm not showing y'all yet, but they all work. And I'm gonna close everything up, cover everything back up, then we'll light the bike up so y'all can see how it looks now. The bike is back together, and basically now we're going to see what it looks like, which I've seen what it looks like. So it has lit up the biking areas. So cut that on, put it on. Okay, great. And now, as you see, this is this side. So we've gotten a little more light down here in this area down here since I put that piece on. So that lights up that area more. You can see how it looks on the tank. Still kind of undecided about the tank, but we'll see. We'll see if I come do another uninstall video for the tank. We'll see. Like I said, it does give you a nice little glow up in the tank. And then like now, as you can see, this whole area here is lit up, which was the goal. So you actually can see through the whole engine of the bike underneath with the glow. And that was the main goal. And like I say over here on this side, I didn't get as much light as I wanted because there's so much of this block in there, but we'll see. So far, I think I'm happy with it. Let me cut the lights off. Really good idea. So that's what it looks like now. You got that little glow now up under the tank. This side is all lit up. You can see through the whole entire bike now. And I'll try to put some before and after shots in here to give you a better idea of how it looks now before and after. So now you got the glow up underneath the bike. And then you have a little more light down here at the bottom. So that was the goal of this video. Like I said, hope y'all enjoyed it. If you want to have any questions or any comments or any more ideas you think, well, I could probably add a light or do something different with the lights that I have on the bike, please leave them in the comments below and I can take them into consideration and see what it looks like. So But this is what we have right now, and I'm pretty happy with it. Like I say, I'm gonna see how much I still like the tanks. If I want to do something different with tank, but we'll see. But for right now, we'll leave it like this. Say any questions, concerns, or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.